So we're looking at the use of late passes in Eagle Online, and here I have an assignment that was previously due, and it says, oh, late passes cannot be used because I do not have enough late passes. A late pass will only extend an assignment due date for a certain amount of time, maybe 24 or 48 hours, and because this was due a couple of weeks ago, I don't have enough to actually open it back up. So let's look at what that would look like if I had gotten to this in time. So let's say that it was only due a couple of days ago and I have enough late passes to then open up the assignment. It says I have 2 late passes available. I can redeem them until a certain point. I can also open the assessment for ungraded practice, and then there's a little warning. If I do so, you cannot later use a late pass. So if I'm happy with my grade, maybe I got 100% and I just want to go back and practice the assignment some more, then I can use this practice assignment and I can open this back up. If I'm unhappy with my grade, maybe this was due last night and I didn't get to it and I want to keep working on it for points, you absolutely must use this Redeem Late Passes button. If you click the Practice button, it locks the assignment at the current score and it cannot be opened up after that. So if I use my Redeem 2 Late Passes, I've done it, and it says, hey, now it's due later this week. Originally it was due at this certain time, and I can start it as usual.